I'm gonna make any girl fall in love with you. Actually, let me make it easier. Any girl will fall in love with you if you have an abundance mentality. You see, there are 7 billion people out there. 3.5 billion of those people are a potential option for you. Shoot, narrow it down to your city or your hometown. You could probably have a potential 50 to 100,000 people in your area that are an eligible option. In other words, she ain't all that. She's replaceable. She's not this perfect being, and once you stop doing that and giving that one singular girl all of your attention and value, and you replace it with that abundant mentality, yo, you know what? Screw that. There's 100,000 more that I can choose from. Bro, that's desirable. 2, always chase a better you. That should be your number. When you think, man, how do I get better girls? You're not thinking about how to get better girls. You should be thinking, I need to make myself better. That should be priority number 1 over anything else I talk about in this video. In other words, if you're noticing that girls aren't chasing you, or it's not easy to keep them entertained when you date them, then you need to chasing a better you to make yourself more desirable. The easiest way to start is with your exterior. Start dressing better. Start smelling better. Start taking care of your skin. Start taking care of your grooming. These are instant things that overnight will make a drastic effect in how you present yourself. And you know what? I can help you with every single category overnight. I literally own brands across any aspect to make men look, feel, and smell great. After that, you just have to add money to your bank account. But I actually can't help you with that one. I can't add money to your bank account. That's something you're gonna have to earn with your own blood, with your own sweat, with your own hard work, and become that 10% man, that top 20% man. Be that high earner on top of the exterior, and you got the formula. So I'm gonna help you out. I'm gonna do what I don't even know what to call this. The super bundle? Let's call it the super bundle. I'm gonna give you everything you need to turn your life around, to turn your exterior around. I'm gonna give you our essentials t-shirt pack of 4, which are 4 essential t-shirts. There are 4 best sellers that'll make you look like a Greek god. They're tailored to make you look jacked. I'm also gonna give you our 3 fragrances from Santa Lucia, from our dark collection, our new fragrances, full-size bottles. That's a $450 bundle. I'm also gonna give you our shower bundle from He Grooming. So every time you shower, you step out of that shower smelling amazing. I'm also gonna give you a pair of sunglasses from J Black and a pair of prisms, so you have something to wear on your face 24/7. What should I call this bundle? This is like collecting infinity stones from Thanos. You got everything you need. That's probably like a $1,000 bundle. So you know what? To make it as affordable as possible, I'm gonna do a 50% off offer. This is gonna be the most affordable you'll ever see. You'll never see this bundle again. You're gonna get that entire insane bundle at 50% off and change how you look overnight. Number 3, you gotta have passion. You have to be driven by something. See, when you have passion, it gives you drive, it gives you purpose, it gives you motivation. These are all leadership qualities 100% of women want. Okay, maybe not even 100, 98% of women want, but who wants to attract that 2%? Those are the weird ones. Most women want that dude that has that leadership within him, that is self-motivated, self-propelled. It also gives you value. See, she will know you're busy. She will respect your time now, and now she's gonna crave your time, and she'll know any little time you give her, that's time of value that you're taking away from your purpose to give to you, versus the dude that all he does is play video games and gives 100% of his time to her. 4, I need you to ask for a favor. This one's a psychological trick. It's called the Benjamin Franklin effect. Once you've built yourself up, once you've done everything, now is when you start engaging with them, right? And an easy thing to do is ask for a simple favor. It could be anything, bro, like as little as possible. And the idea is that our brain operates with a consistency bias. In other words, if I have done something for you positively, it is hard for my brain to conceive that I dislike you. If I disliked you, I wouldn't have operated in a positive manner towards you. That means that if she does that favor for you, now you know that in her head, according to consistency bias, she finds you pleasurable. She likes you to an extent, and you can make it move. 5, It's called the Similarity Attraction effect. This is a psychological and sociological effect in which we tend to like people that are closely related to what we are, our culture, our demographic, our socioeconomic level, etc. Okay, use this to your benefit. Pay attention to what she likes, to what she doesn't like. You can see it visually by how she dresses, the things she does, what she likes on social media, what she reshares, what she reposts. So for example, let's say the chick you're dealing with, she likes country music. She has bad taste, right? She likes country music. Okay, that's fine. Make a playlist of country music, and when you pick her up, you're playing country music on the low end in the speakers, and now she's thinking, oh my God, you like that too? And she's already relating to you, and she's thinking you're the most perfect guy. Bro. Now the sucky part is that now you have to endure country music, and that seems boring. Got it in the back. That takes me to number 6. It's called the exposure effect. People are attracted to things they are familiar with. This is why it's so popular for people from high school to reconnect after 10 years, and then they end up getting married. The same can be used with dating, right? If it's your coworker or some random girl at school or a girl that you see at the park all the time, make yourself familiar, right? Every time you pass by, smile, say hi, give a nod. Make sure you're always in her vicinity, that she can see you at least once a day. Get that exposure effect with her, and then after a while, make your move. That's it for your boy. See you next time.